girls, let's practice counting the numbers. Let's count all the farm animals that we can see in each slide. Ready? Count with me. 0. There's nothing in the box. 0. 1. 1 chicken. 1. 1, 2. 2 turkeys. 'Let's count the number of chicks. 1, 2, 3. 3 chicks. How many horses are there? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 horses. Oops. Let's look at the mice. How many mice are there in the box? Are you ready to count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 mice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I see 6 lamb. 6. What number comes after 6? That's right, number 7, my favorite number. Let's count the number of pigs. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 pigs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 chickens. Ooh, look at the goats. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 goats. What animal is this? That's right, cow. Let's count how many cows are there in the box. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 cows. Who knows what number comes after 10? Let's find out. Let's count the number of rabbits in the box. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 comes after the number 10. Let's count the number of dogs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 dogs. Let's look at the lamp. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 lamb. Boys and girls, it's your turn to count. Ready? Count the number of cats in the box. Go. Way to go! Great job! 14. 14 cats. Let's count the pigs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 pigs. Let's look at the horses and count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 horses. Do you know what number comes after 16? Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 17 chicks. 17 comes after 16. What animal is this? That's right, cats. Let's count the number of cats. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 cats. The number that comes after 18 is 19. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 19 dogs. The number of chickens. There's a lot of chickens in here. Can you help me count? Ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 chickens. We did it, boys and girls. Great job. Let's give yourselves a whoosh whoosh clap. Ready? Whoosh, whoosh. Hooray! Good job.